All right, here we go with the trials and tribulations of a vintage outboard motor mechanic. Here's T. Mike working on a 1957 7.5 horsepower. Brought to him by a customer, said he had rebuilt the carb and couldn't get it going, so I'm doing the compression check on it. And it's good, 70 on one side, 70 on the other. So compression is good. Now I'm going to check for spark, which the customer said he rebuilt the magneto with my kit. And the spark is good. So let's try to get her started now. Put everything back together. Pump the bulb. Sure enough, starts, but I noticed something. There's a plug missing on the carburetor. So I take it in my shop,